VPS. In my last video, we created this VPS and I explained how you can get it for free. Today, we're going to log into this VPS. We're going to see how we can connect a trading account to it, how we can bind the account so that we can keep enjoying free renewal every month. And we're also going to connect a trading robot to this account. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, let's head to the second app I mentioned in that video, which is client. I mentioned in that video that you can download it from Play Store. So that's where we'll be logging into the VPS. And here's the app. Now, to log into the VPS we created, you need to click on this plus sign here. Then click on Create RDP connection. Then fill these spaces here. The first one is friendly name. Just give yourself a friendly name. For me, is icon effects. I'll put icon effects 2 because I already have one. Then the next one is to input the server address. We'll get this server address from the VPS we created from here. And the server address is the host IP, which is 152.32. So let's start with that. 152.32. 152.32. Then we have 142.43. 142.43. Then username. Username is always administrator. Then the password. We are going to infuse the password we created while we are creating the VPS. So I'm going to pause this video to input the password. Now I'm done with the password, so the next thing is to connect. If the password is correct, then we should be able to successfully connect the VPS. Now it's connecting already. So we are waiting for it to open up. You can see it looks exactly like your laptop. Let me go to the opening page so that you can see what I'm talking about. Let me choose the mouse mode. So you can choose any of these three mouse modes. The second one, this one, the one similar to the mouse used for a laptop or desktop. I prefer using this pointer instead because I'm using the mobile phone with VPS. So let me minimize this page so that you can see how, let me even close it so you can see how we got here. Now, once the VPS open, this is how it's going to look like, more or less like the laptop you're using in your house. And on this VPS, you can see that we already have mt5 installed on it. We have mt5 installed. We have mt4 installed. This is mt5. This is CTrader installed, and we have mt4 installed. So we have everything we need to carry out our trading already installed on this VPS. Now let me launch the mt5 platform here. You're going to double click on it. Click on it, you can right click the same way you used to launch your system. Same thing. The mt5 is opening. Then while it's opening, you notice that we have something that is popping up here, which says you have not yet bound your account. You need to bind your account and trade before 2026 February 8th. Otherwise, the VPS will be deleted after the deadline. This window will close automatically after the binding is successful. So in this video, we are going to bind our accounts after logging into our trading account so that this thing can disappear and can be able to use the VPS conveniently. Now, this open an account. Let me show you how we got here. Let me close it and Open that place again. All this place is opening because I've launched this VPS before. I've opened this VPS before. So I want to close this tab. My network is poor, so I may need to be pausing the video to avoid it from being long. So once the network is stable, then video will continue. Now, once you launch the Mt5 platform, this is exactly how it's going to look like. Log into your trading account, you need to come to File again and click on it. Then go to under File, go to Open an account and click on it. Because I have opened this place before, that's why it's bringing how this there. I've searched for it before. That's why it's bringing them up. So if it's not bringing the name of your broker up like this, you need to search for it here. Just search for the broker you want to log into. I want to log into Derry, so I may not need to search. And the account, the server I'm using is Derry SPG, so I'm going to click on it. I need to drag this thing up so that I'll be able to click on where I will proceed. So I need to drag it up. Okay. Then after clicking on this Derry SPG, I need to click on next. Because I already have an account, so I'll click on connect with an existing account. I'll input my login details. 93, no 74, 74. So I'll pause this video to input my login details, including the password. Now, I've imputed my login details. I want to choose the server. Server I'm using for this account is Derry SVG server. Now click on finish here. Let me see if the login details is correct. It's correct. I should have my name here. Okay. That means the password is not the password I encrypted is not correct. Otherwise, this thing should have disappeared. So let me try and log in again. So because I've logged into the account already, so I will not need to go to file, to open an account. I will not need to do that. I only need to come here where my account is and double click it. Then to bring up this tab where I can correct the password. So let me pause the video again. Now I've successfully logged in to my trading account. That's why you can see my name here. Messi Adewale George. Now, for this thing to disappear, we need to find this trading account. So we need to bind it so that this thing that will disappear and can be able to renew. So to bind this account, you need to come under this advisor here. You have expert magically. So you come to the last one, which is wiki defense. You double click on this wiki defense. Then you allow, if this allow DLL is not ticked, then you tick it and click on OK. Okay. Then you need to enable auto trading. To enable auto trading for it to be active. And this is where you enable auto trading. This algo trading. Click on it to enable. So this thing should disappear any moment from now. This have not yet bound your account should disappear any moment from now. Finding successful. Surely disappear. So that is how you can see. So congratulations, you have successfully bound your account, something like that. Now, so that's how to connect to your trading account to the VPS and how to bind it. So you connect your trading account by going to file, open an account, log into your trading account. If you already have an account, you need to open a new account under this VPS. Just log into the account you already have. And once you successfully log in, then connect this VPS to any of the charts. So once you double click it, it will connect to that chart and you click OK, just like we did it in this video. Now, the next thing we want to do now is how we can connect trading robots to to this VPS rather. Now, if you look at this place, you will see symbols. So these are the symbols that you can trade on every platform. All available symbols, all available instruments are here. And if there's anyone you cannot find here and it's on the platform, you can click this plus sign below to search for it. For example, I can't find gold. So let me search for gold. Gold will be XAU. XAU. I see that. Bring it up here. So I'm going to double click it. Symbol, not details. So now you can see I have gold on this. Now, if I want to connect the trading robot to this gold, I will need to right click on this gold. So once you right click on this, bring up this tab and you click on chart. Then this is the chart of gold. Here you can change. If you right click on this chart, you right click on it, then you can do anything you want to do, like change the time frame and any other thing that you want to do on that chart. Basically, what the only needs to do is to change the time frame. So let me change the time frame to 5 minutes. Because here I want to connect should work on 5 minute time frame. Now I don't have the EA here. This is so any EA you want to connect will be here. Okay, I have EA. I've already added this E mark wonder. So any EA you add to this VPS will appear here. So this EA, the one I've added before. These are the ones that comes with the VPS. All this expert McGee, expert Mama comes with VPS. You try to test this on your demo, see how it works. But I want to connect this Mark one. So to connect it, you just click on it. There are two ways of connecting EA to the chart. So one way is to click on the EA, another way is to drag it to the chart. Like the one I just used by clicking it, and you may drag it this way and drop it chart. So it's the same thing. So once the EA open like this, you come to input. If allow algo trading is not ticked, you click it. And you come to input and can customize the settings where you want the EA to work. Change the lot size that you want the EA to trade with. If you are using the EA on multiple time frames, then you have to change the magic number so that you'll be able to differentiate the EA across different symbols. And I want to run this EA as it is. Lot size from 0, 1, magic number, ADS period, ADS threshold, page 50. See what that is. Let me switch trading stop. Allow buy, allow sell. So let me just connect it for the purpose of showing you how to connect. All this one that you don't need it to use it. So this is basically how to create a how to connect your trading account with your VPS, how to bind it, and how to connect trading robots to it. But how do you get the EA to this VPS? For example, if you download a trading robot from someone or someone send it to you, how do you get it to this VPS so that you'll be able to connect it to the chat? So in my next video, I'm going to talk about that. Thank you for watching. Happy trading.